Boao is a rising star in Hainan, China's tropical island, not only for hosting the Boao Forum for Asia, but increasingly for being China's international medical tourism pilot zone, a hub for most advanced medical technology in the world. How does it work? Here's what I found out in a visit to Boao. In the hospital ward, I met a 40-year-old woman who suffers from advanced breast cancer. At one point, sickness had ravaged her so much that she had gone down to weighing less than 80 pounds. Not long ago, she was transferred from a hospital in Boston to this one in Boao. Ye Gang, the oncologist on duty today, has been working in this hospital for 2 years and has been taking care of patients like her after working in the U.S. for 2 decades. His career decision to move back to China and stay in Boao had a lot to do with the fact that here, hospital located in the Lecheng pilot zone of Boao, have the most advanced medicines from all over the world. For the rest of China, though, the waiting period for approval would be at least 3 to 5 years.
It was estimated about 600,000 people went to USA or Europe for treatment. Among those, majorities are cancer patients. So those patients are mainly going abroad to seek novel treatments, particularly new drugs. And this is a place that's called a pilot zone with the policy specifically granted by the central state government. So it allows the hospital here to import the medications that have been approved by FDA or AMA, the equivalent of FDA, so that people from China can use the same medicine that once that's approved in the US or in Europe. That gives a lot of people new opportunities.
This is why the Lecheng pilot zone has attracted so much attention. It's a one-of-a-kind arrangement in the country. So far, more than 100 cutting-edge drugs and medical devices are accessible in the zone. A well-kept warehouse in the pilot zone houses the special imports. Cancer is a major disease in China as it is in the rest of the world. The big toll the illness takes on people are physical, emotional, and also financial. A 2018 movie, Dying to Survive, tapped into society's anguish about pharmaceutical costs and was linked to the government effort to cut prices of cancer drugs. How is this hurdle of getting treatment addressed in this pilot zone in Boao?
We have been asked the same questions every day, actually. So price is high. That is universal to everyone in every country, actually.
Dr. Ye says the answer lies in 2 things. By getting the same treatment in Boao instead of going abroad, families can save up to half of the cost. And the new insurance that began in the pilot zone will also help a lot. The policy covers 70 anti-cancer drugs for 35 common types of cancer for up to 1 million yuan at a cost of 29 yuan per year for people from Hainan and 39 yuan for residents in other Chinese regions. What is it like for a doctor like you to look at your late-stage cancer patients and still relatively limited access they could have for things that could save their lives worldwide.
When they face the end stage of life is very courageous, very inspiring. Because after all, we as physicians, we cannot cure all the cancers. We cannot cure all the diseases. All we can do is, most often, we just try to comfort and try to treat some, but cure is very rare. What you do is to help them to live longer, to live a better life, better quality of life. So that's what you do.